what? Trying to get Everett talking on the video. Can I say hi?
Hi, Everett.
Oh, he sees you.
Hey, he has the hiccups.
I know. He always has the hiccups.
I think we need to do the. He needs some hiccups. So.
Hiccup syrup? He loves you so much, honey.
Hey. Like the music is on.
Mm-hmm.